Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, I want to test this on my car. So I have a Kia Soul 2013 and it has a check engine light. So this is supposed to help me get rid of that light so I can pass the inspection. And we're going to see if it works. So before we go out there, I want to take a look at this, and it does say it can clear codes and can restore power, pollutes less, and this is the important thing, it passes the emission smog test and deodorizes smelly exhaust. So this is what you use before replacing the catalytic converter or the catalyst. So it works on all types of engines, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's go out there. Okay folks, so as you can see, we are inside my Kia Soul 2013, and I pulled up the codes, and this is what you get right here. Oh, you can't see it. Turn that off. So you have a P0420. So that's the catalyst system efficiency below threshold bank 1. We're going to use this right here. I know it's dark, but we're going to use this right here and see if it can clear that code. Hopefully it will, because I need to do an inspection. And remember, that's the same code that's right here. According to the box, it can clear the P0420 and other obdII codes. So we have the exact code on my car as it claims over here. So we're going to see if this works. Okay, so according to the instructions, drive the car until the gasoline level is half. So your tank is half full, and then pour in this entire bottle into the gas tank, and then drive it 20 to 30 miles. Okay folks, so it is the following day, and we're gonna see where we are so far. So I have driven it a little bit, as you can see. It was at half when I pour in the cleaner, and we're supposed to drive it all the way to empty. And I know it's out of focus. There we go. So we're supposed to drive it all the way. Oh, there we go again. Drive it all the way to empty. But I want to see where we are right now. So let's plug it in. So it's connecting to my car. Wow, amazing, green. That means there are no powertrain DTCs or freeze frame data is presently stored in the vehicle's computer. So as you can see, all the tests, all the monitors are passed because they're all green. Nothing is in gray. And the most important thing is this: when it's green, that means that you can take your inspection and it will pass. So I am amazed at this cleaner. It's amazing because I didn't finish the treatment like they told me. They tell you to put it in when it's half full and then run it down all the way to empty. That usually takes about it takes a few miles. It may take like 20 or 30 miles or longer, depending on what kind of car you're driving, of course. I meant to get it all the way to empty and then refuel and then do the scan. But as you can see, it worked right away. And that code was there for a long time. It was not a sporadic code. It was there for a long time. And already we're good. So let's go indoors and let's do a final thoughts. Okay folks, so we have reached the end of this review. And overall, I'm 100% happy with this. And I'm very impressed. So it did correct the problem. My Kia happened to have this code right here, the P0420, and it is gone. So I've been driving it for many miles since I took the last screenshot of the obdII scanner, and it's definitely gone. It's not coming back. So I'm 100% sure, I should say I'm 99% sure that this fixed the problem. I don't think it went away by itself, so I'm very happy with that. I don't know what else to say. I did take the emissions test and it did pass. So I did expect it to pass, because once it's on green, that the scanner's on green, you know it's gonna pass. So that went well, and I'm very impressed. I did not expect it to work, but it did work. So the sooner you try this, the better. If you wait too long till there's a damage, you might not be able to fix the problem. But I've had cars for many years, over 2 decades, and when you get a check engine light, it usually just gets worse and worse and worse. It never goes away by itself. So I know it's this that did the trick. So overall, this gets 5 stars out of 5, and I'm very happy with it. I can strongly recommend it. And thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.